Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Audible for free. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Then search for Audible and you will be on this page. Here, as you can see, right now they're offering a special offer that is try Audible for $0 for 30 days. As you can see, after 1 month you have to pay $15 per month, but for 30 days you can get Audible for completely free. However, if you click on Try Audible Free from this specific page, you will see the same page. This is probably the easiest way to get Audible without paying anything up front. Additionally, Audible sometimes runs special promotions during Prime Day or other events where Prime members can get up to 3 months for free. If you are a Prime member, keep an eye out for these deals because Audible often gives extras, like 2 free books during the free trial or even 3 months at no cost. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Audible for free. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.